the Ancheer Electric Mountain Bike, which in our view is the top mountain electric bike of 2024. You always want your electric bike, whether it's your first or an upgrade, to be unique and equipped with the latest technology and features. The Ancheer Electric Bike meets these expectations effortlessly. It offers an exciting, safe ride and comes with all the innovative features you could want. This isn't just a budget-friendly electric bike that gets you from A to B, it's a meticulously crafted vehicle that ensures you arrive in style and is loaded with numerous impressive features. Its build quality is commendable, boasting a robust frame that weighs a mere 26.5 pounds. Despite its lightweight design, it can support a maximum rider weight of 265 pounds. Additionally, it possesses IPX5 water resistance. The frame and suspension fork are forged from aluminum alloy, offering resistance against harsh weather and rough handling. This aluminum electric bike promises longevity, ensuring many years of service. What's more, the frame is foldable, allowing for convenient storage and transportation, making it ideal for small apartments or car travel. In terms of aesthetics, this folding electric bike boasts a distinctive, futuristic design that is bound to captivate almost anyone. Its design, inspired by dolphins, is not something you encounter daily. The only standard-looking part might be the front fork. The large, rugged 12-inch tires handle various terrains with ease, making this bike as functional as it is attractive. Regardless of whether you're commuting across town or exploring rural trails, Ancheer's electric mountain bike delivers a satisfying experience everywhere. A high-speed 350-watt motor powers it, reaching a top speed of 12 miles per hour and covering a distance of 12 miles. While this might not seem fast, it allows for quite swift travel. A 36-watt 6Ah battery provides the power. The Ancheer folding electric mountain bike ensures a smooth, comfortable ride with its thick tires, offering excellent terrain grip and shock absorption. Other notable features include an app and Bluetooth system that provide access to app speed settings, engine lock, mileage and time recording, and e-bike self-testing. This model only has rear-wheel disc brakes, which work well but may require some adjustment. The lithium battery charges in less than 3 hours, providing about 50 minutes of continuous use. The short charging time is indeed a highlight. In conclusion, this electric bike is reliable, comfortable, and built to last, making it a worthwhile investment.